I'm going to teach you how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month using these AI content creation secrets. 99% of YouTubers are doing their titles and descriptions all wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use AI to identify viral title strategies to create better YouTube video titles and descriptions. I'm even going to show you my favorite tool I use every day to find high traffic keywords and tags for your YouTube videos to make sure your videos show up on people's homepage. If you stick around to the end, I'll also show you how I turn my videos into entire blog articles with one single ChatGPT prompt. But first, subscribe to my channel to follow me on my road to $1 million journey. This is day 3 of my road to $1 million journey, where I've set a goal for myself to earn $10,000 a month in recurring revenue with the ultimate goal of reaching total revenue of $1 million. In day 2, I showed you how we could create some viral thumbnails by mimicking what's working for other top creators. Today, I want to apply a similar way of thinking to use AI tools to figure out how we can create some viral titles, descriptions, and even keywords. Now, a lot of this can be done with tools like ChatGPT and Claude, but I want to hop into my favorite AI tool right now, Poppy AI, to get started. This is Poppy AI, and if you watch any of my other videos like creating a 30-day content strategy or creating viral thumbnails, you'll be familiar with this already. I'll make sure to leave a link to those in the description. I'm loving Poppy right now because it's basically like this giant blank whiteboard canvas that's all powered by AI. This is a visual knowledge base, and I'm a visual person, and this has been working great for me. So in the first videos, I took some content that I created on TikTok, as well as some strategies from other content creators to create my content strategy. And then in video number 2, I took thumbnails from other content creators in my niche to identify what common themes or traits those thumbnails had so that we could try to mimic that in our own thumbnails. And today I want to take some of that thinking and apply that to titles, descriptions, and keywords. And so if I zoom in here, you can see I've basically just taken screenshots of the top performing videos from all of my favorite creators. So literally, I just came over here to YouTube to some other content creators in my niche, and you can go ahead and do this for yours. And really, I sorted by popular, and then I just took a screenshot of the top 2 rows of the best performing videos for this creator. And I went ahead and you can see I did this for like 10, 15, 20 creators, and you can just drop this right into Poppy. What's really cool about Poppy is that it basically analyzes all sorts of formats. So I can drop in these images, you can take YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagrams, you can incorporate text, you can upload documents or things like that, and you can group everything so that the AI really is clear on what you're trying to ask it. And I love this tool because not only can it do analysis on the actual thumbnails, but it can even extract the text from the images. And so that's what I want to focus today. Because if we click into here, so you can see here that when I took a screenshot of these, not only did I grab the images, but I also grabbed the title for these videos, right? If we just click into a few, you can see we have all these really high converting titles. So we can start to draw inspiration from that. So there's a saying, it goes, good artists create, great artists steal. And we don't want to steal anything from anybody, but we can start to copy them to figure out what's going to work for us. So I can just come in here and click a new AI chat bubble, and I can just go ahead and connect this group of thumbnails to the chat window. And so now that we're connected, I'm just going to zoom in on this and we're going to get to work. Another thing that's cool about Poppy is you can work both with Claude and ChatGPT 4. I've been loving the output from Claude, so I'm just going to go ahead and ask it to analyze the titles of the videos and the thumbnails to identify key themes, concepts, ideas, and formats for successful videos. So we can go ahead and send this off. So you already see Poppy starts to get to work using Claude, right? Basically, some common themes are money and income focused, dollar amounts prominently featured, 500K, 260K, 100K a month. Some income claims like I made 50K, I made $500,000 this year, right? Things having to do with AI and technology, like AI tools integration, like ChatGPT and Sora, automation processes, AI-powered or fully automated systems, or things that are platform-specific, YouTube-focused, Instagram strategies, TikTok methods, right? And then we have some like clear formats that it uses. How-to guides are really big, or case studies, like I tried this for 365 days. You see this content all the time on YouTube, and you might not realize that you're seeing this. But the reason is because it's subconscious. You're seeing it over and over again because it actually works. There's some other like psychology things that they're doing here, right? They're creating a sense of urgency by saying like, do this now before it's too late, like using words like secrets or the truth about, and then using social proof, like how I made this much money or how I attracted this many clients or how I grew this many subscribers, right? So what I want to start doing is I want to start taking my content and I want to start applying these strategies that the creators are already using to my content to create viral and engaging titles that people actually want to click on. I like this at the end here too. It gives us some clear patterns for success. If you have a clear value proposition with specific outcomes or tangible results, compelling numbers like view counts or earnings, authority building, personal experience, proven results, and the problem solution format, identify pain points, offer solutions, show results. So again, when you're thinking about crafting your own titles, keep this stuff in mind because I think it's really, really powerful. And so, like I said, Poppy is able to work with lots of different file formats. I already have the transcript from my first video in here that we've been working with so far. If you want to add this, just come to the little document here and then search for the file on your computer and you can add it in. I already have it here. So I'm just going to connect this up to the chat window and go back to talking to the AI, right? And so I just want to say, based on the video transcript, create 20 possible titles for a YouTube video following the strategies we just identified. So it's going to take everything it just told us was working for these other videos that were getting like hundreds of thousands of views, right? And now it's going to take the transcript from my video, which was all about creating a 30-day content strategy using AI tools, and it's creating titles for me based off the strategy, but it's specific to me, to my video. It's totally personalized, right? So we're not actually copying these creators. We're just taking what's working and we're applying it to our content. What's really cool about this is like we can swap out the transcript for video number 2, 3, 4, 10, whatever, right? You can add these all in here. You can come up with new titles every single time for each one of your videos based off of proven strategies that actually work. So let's go ahead and look at these. The money and results focused, how I'm building a $10,000 a month YouTube channel from scratch. Day one journey from $14 to $10,000 a month. Literally, I'll put my screenshot up here or maybe over here. I don't know which side it is. That shows that in my first 2 months on TikTok, I've made $14, right? And I'm hoping to scale that up. So I want to take you on this journey from zero to $10,000 a month, because you see a lot of the creators out there are basically these people who already have 100,000, 500,000, like 1 million followers. And yeah, those people are making money, but that's like 1% of the creators on YouTube. So I want to start from scratch, building with you guys to show you that it is possible to start from scratch and build recurring revenue of $10,000 a month. And again, my ultimate goal is to earn $1 million of total revenue, which I think is achievable. Here are some other angles we can use on the video. The AI and automation angle. I'm using 7 AI tools to build a $10,000 a month YouTube channel. ChatGPT and Poppy, the ultimate YouTube growth strategy. Tutorial style, step-by-step, building a YouTube empire using AI. Like, I'm going to have a hard time choosing which one of these, right? So I'm just going to ask it, what are your top 3 recommendations that you think will convert the best? Pick 3. So Claude seems to think from $14 to $10K a month, my honest YouTube strategy using AI tools. He thinks it's going to convert because it shows specific numbers. It includes honest, which builds trust. It mentions specific AI tools. It creates curiosity about the journey and addresses both beginners and ambitious creators. That's definitely an option. I analyzed 1,000 plus viral videos and found this secret pattern, right? Why it will convert. It creates curiosity, implies exclusive information, etc. Or watch me build a YouTube channel from scratch, 0 to 10K. So let me know in the comments which one of these titles you think is going to convert best, because I honestly have no idea. So now that we have all these great options for titles, the next thing we want to do is to create an SEO optimized description. So next to Google, YouTube is literally the second biggest search engine on the entire planet. So when it comes to titles and descriptions, not only do you want to be engaging, but you also want to optimize for SEO, or search engine optimization, because you want to optimize for what people are actually looking for. The description is the best place to do that, because the title should be a quick read. That should be really hyper-focused and engaging, but the description is your opportunity to pack it full of keywords to let the algorithm know this is what your video is about, so YouTube can show the right video to the right person. That is YouTube's entire goal. So I'm just going to say identify 5 main keywords from the transcript. So I'm going to show you a really cool trick for optimizing your descriptions and your keywords for SEO. So some of the terms that I found were AI tools, content strategy, $10,000 a month, automation, and social proof. This is a cool trick. Check this out. So I'm just going to copy AI tools, and I'm just going to come over to google.com and I'm going to paste this in here. So come down to this people also ask section. So this is what people are actually searching for. And what are AI tools? Which is the most popular? What are the best free AI tools? So if you scroll down a few of these, you can just get more questions that people are actually asking. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to copy a few of these, and I'm just going to bring these back into Poppy, and you're going to see in a minute what we're going to do with these. So I'm just going to click text to create a new text document, and I'm just going to paste these in. Let's drag this over here to get a little bit more room. And I'm also going to do the same thing for content strategy. So just come back to Google, paste this in. What are the 7 steps in creating content strategy? What are the 4 steps? What is a UX content strategy? Like, I don't necessarily need to know UX for this, but I think some of this is helpful. 5 P's of strategy in the strategy process, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this too. Come back, paste this into our doc. I'm going to do the same for $10,000 a month for automation and for social proof, and I'm going to come back once I've done that. Okay, so I just went ahead and I copied and pasted like a whole bunch of questions that people are actually searching for. If you create content around topics that people are actually searching for, you have a much greater chance to go viral. We definitely want to make sure we include some of this into our descriptions, so that way it's SEO optimized. That's why YouTube pushes the video out to the right people. So what's really cool is now that we have all this, we can just go ahead and we can connect this up to the same chat, right? And so I'm just going to ask, Based on the video transcript, create an SEO optimized description for a YouTube video. Incorporate some of the key terms from the list of questions that are most relevant to the video, because I don't want it to just pull anything in. I want to identify what's actually relevant based on the transcript and use all of that to create one SEO optimized description. So check this out. In literally a couple seconds, Poppy created this awesome description for us. Discover how to build a $10,000 a month YouTube channel using AI tools in 2024. In this step-by-step guide, I'm showing you exactly how I'm building a content strategy to reach $10,000 per month using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Poppy AI. Perfect for beginners looking to start their YouTube journey or content creators wanting to scale their earnings. It even pulled out the timestamps from the transcript and put that here. What you'll learn, how to use AI tools to create engaging content. So this is where you can start to see some of these keywords, right? Top performing video formats that actually work. How to analyze successful creator strategies, step-by-step content planning process, ways to build social proof even as a beginner, and content automation techniques that save time. And now we even have a link to the resources. Poppy AI isn't free, but if you use the code Duncan, you'll get $25 off. I'll leave a link in the description for that. And then frequently asked questions. Now, this is actually pulling directly from that list of questions, right? So this is really, really impactful. Subscribe more for AI tutorials, automation strategies, and real results as I document my journey to $1 million in revenue, and then some hashtags. And here, related videos if I want to link to related videos, right? Always good to include a disclaimer. Results may vary. This video is for educational purposes only. So you can see how we got like a really powerful description. Feel free to go in, customize this to yourself, make whatever tweaks that you want, but this is a really, really great starting point. All right, I promise I'll show you my favorite tool that I use every day to generate keywords and tags for your videos. So basically every time you upload a video, there's a section here for tags, right? And you can put in up to 500 characters of tags. Again, this is for SEO, right? This lets YouTube know what your video is about. So for anybody who's searching for, who is watching videos on these topics, it's more likely to show your video to them. But you also want to be able to understand like what's performing well on YouTube so that you can optimize your keywords for the algorithm itself. So the tool that I like using is rapidtags.io, this generator tool. And literally all you have to do is you have to enter the title for your video and it generates tags for you. And so if we just come down in here and we can grab one of these titles, I like this one, the YouTube strategy nobody talks about using AI in 2025. I don't think I'm going to go with that one, but I think it'll work well for this. So if we go ahead and we paste that in and we click search in rapidtags.io, again, you can see it gives you all these tags like up to 500 characters, YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channel using AI. So already you can see like a lot of people are searching for faceless YouTube. So I'm going to make some video on how to create faceless YouTube channels for sure. So literally all you have to do is you just click copy, and next time you upload a video, you can just paste all of those tags right in here before you click upload. Now, I know I said I'd show you how to turn any YouTube video into a blog with one single prompt. This video right now is getting a little bit long, so I think I'm just going to save that for the next video. I'll link to it somewhere up here. If you enjoyed this video and you want to join me on my road to $1 million, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.